Having your service area floors resurfaced with a heavy-duty industrial epoxy flooring system doesn't have to be a drawn-out, laborious, and disruptive inconvenience for your service department. With the right equipment and the proper preparation and application procedures performed by a trained and experienced crew, coupled with the best materials available, it really is as simple as 1, 2, 3. The entire process, and we've done it more than 700 times, can be accomplished start to finish in one 48-hour weekend. 3 p.m. Friday, 7 a.m. Monday. 3 p.m. Friday, 7 a.m. Monday. 3 p.m. Friday, 7 a.m. Monday. Older floors that have been previously painted may require the use of state-of-the-art vacuumized diamond grinders to remove the old coatings before starting with the standard preparation procedures. The type and thickness of the old coating being removed determines the speed at which the diamond grinder is run, as well as the size of the diamond plugs that are used. Thin film coatings generally require the least aggressive diamonds, with the grinder being operated at the fastest speed. Thicker coatings, more aggressive diamonds, slower speed. The ultimate result is very impressive. Decades-old slabs literally look like new concrete. Now it's time to begin the actual standard preparation procedures for the new coating system. The process is called shot blasting. This self-contained, vacuumized piece of equipment shoots different sized steel BBs at the concrete floor and yields a textured surface that looks very much like sandpaper, but attracts and holds a new coating very much like a sponge. This is the perfect surface for installing a resinous flooring system. Areas that are inaccessible to the large grinding or shot blasting equipment can be more than adequately prepared using handheld vacuumized diamond grinders. Once the shot blasting is completed and the surface has been swept, blown, or vacuumed clean, all the large cracks, holes, divots, gouges, and other imperfections in the floor can be easily eliminated by using epoxy resin mixed with fumed silica into a mayonnaise consistency and applied like a grout using a putty knife or a steel trowel. Even large, oversized, ugly joints can be filled and eliminated and later be recut to a more attractive 21st century size. We now move on to the first coat of epoxy. If the system being installed is a full aggregate broadcast system, this application is called the receiver coat. For those who know what they're doing, this application, like all coats, is applied mathematically. It is installed using a V-notched rubber squeegee at a rate of 80 square feet per gallon, which yields 20 mils. Once it's been applied, back-rolled, and given the opportunity to level out, a blend of silica sand is broadcast into the wet epoxy to the point of rejection. This will require 2/3 of a pound of silica per square foot. This can also be accomplished with an aggregate blower apparatus that is specifically designed for this purpose. Once the receiver coat is cured enough to accept foot traffic, usually 6 to 8 hours, the excess aggregate can be removed using brooms, vacuums, or a power sweeper. This is the best point in the process to recut the joints and fill them. Once they're cut and vacuumed, they are taped out on both sides and a flexible but compatible 100% solid epoxy joint compound is installed. Now the second coat, or dress coat of epoxy, is installed. It is applied mathematically, usually between 18 and 22 mils, depending on the finished texture that is requested by the customer. Less mil, more texture; more mils, less texture. At 70 degrees Fahrenheit, the dress coat is usually cured enough for top coating in 8 to 10 hours. At this point, a high-gloss, chemical-resistant urethane finish coat can be applied. For more pizzazz, base stripes, traffic striping, or logos can be installed over the finished floor. Do you remember that old, worn-out floor that we started with? Well, look at it now. Now, one last time, let's recap the entire weekend process in about 30 seconds.